Confirm the Wi-Fi and Bluetooth is open. Step 1. Ceiling fan power is off. Use remote to open it. These number is to open fan, no matter how high is the speed, just open it, is okay. Step to open the Wi-Fi button of remote, you can hear some beep sounds. Add device. App will automatically search the device. Make sure Wi-Fi is 2.4 GHz, not 5G. Connecting the fan. Connected successfully. The following will demonstrate how to use a mobile application to control the fan. Here is that controls the light part. Open, close the light. Adjust the brightness. Adjust the colors of light. Here is to transfer winter or summer mode. That's all.
Your echo is ready. Hey there, it's nice to meet you. Let's get you started with a few things to try. You can say stop at any time. Let's get started. Whenever you want to talk to me, just say my name. Try saying this. Alexa, what's the weather in New York City? I can't send emails.
Alexa, turn on the fan.
Okay.
Alexa, turn on the light.
Okay.
Alexa, set the fan to speed 5.
Okay.
Alexa, set the fan to speed 2.
Okay.
Alexa, set the line to 70%.
Okay.
Alexa, change the line to 30%.
Okay.
Alexa, change the line to soft white.
Okay.
Alexa, change the line to white.
Okay.
Alexa, change the light to cool white.
Okay.
Alexa, change the light to daylight white.
Okay.